What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. I have an amazing video for you today. We're going to be talking about, the CPI data tomorrow, SoFi earnings coming out, SoFi projected profits and losses in the next earnings report, rankings. So we have a lot of good news inside of this video. So for the YouTube algorithm, please smash the like button. Let's try and get this video back to 1,000 likes, where we're usually at, every other video. And be sure to drop a comment. Ask me any questions that you guys have. I will be commenting back to everybody. And this is a really good video, guys. And I'm really doing this video because, we have a lot of people that, don't follow the stock market every single day. And I got to get people prepared for that CPI inflation report that's coming out tomorrow morning. So that is huge. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So Dow closes 260 points higher. NASDAQ notches fourth day of gains ahead of key inflation report. And guys, you can see right here in the top, the breaking news, stock futures are flat with all eyes on key inflation report. You're going to get that tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m., before the pre-market opens. We can see here S&P 500 1.2, Dow 0.80, NASDAQ 1.7, Russell 1.1, and even crude oil green. Guys, SoFi finished green, but it was a rough day for SoFi compared to a lot of the other stocks, guys. It was down like 2%. I believe reason why we didn't rally is because, there was some more news coming out about student loans. We haven't heard about student loans in a pretty long time, but, anytime you hear news about, nothing happening, the SoFi stock usually goes red. But guys, it's been notching higher and higher highs, the past 3-4 days or so. So this is like a new a 1 month high, I believe, or something like that, since we hit that low of like 423 or something like that. So we have been, bouncing off the low fours, which is pretty good news. All right, guys, I want to look into this, okay? Best checking accounts. I was putting this on my Twitter. I literally have this typed in. This is not screenshot or anything. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the, top 3 that are not ads. Nerd Wallet. We clicked the Nerd Wallet, guys. 6 best checking accounts for January. SoFi is coming in at number 1, okay? This is not a ad on NerdWallet. They are doing this for their brand, and they believe SoFi has the best checking account. We can see APY 2.50, bonus 250 with the direct deposit, and I believe the direct deposits, can get up to 3.75, no monthly fees. So we're going to go back and look at some of the other ones. So NerdWallet has SoFi number 1. Number 2, we have right here Bankrate. So we're going to click bankrate.com. January 2023, SoFi coming in at number 1 again, guys. These are the 2 biggest for, getting, top checking accounts right now. I mean, this is absolutely insane. Member FDIC, got your bank charter, 4.9 rating. And I believe, guys, this is going to be massive, massive for our Q4 earnings. Users and user growth. Okay, this could be a big number we haven't seen in a while. And we're going to go down to number 3, which is Forbes.com/advisor banking, best checking accounts of January 2023, Forbes Advisor. And we have SoFi coming in at number 1 again. Guys, this is insane. Okay, you're talking a unprofitable SPAC stock student loan company when you hear it from the bears, okay? But you're not hearing that this is a legitimate bank with no branches, and they are able to offer customers amazing interest. Sign up your direct deposit, they'll get you up to 3.75. SoFi continues to innovate. They are beating out the legacy competition by miles. Yes, the legacy companies are very profitable, but they've been around for, 20 to 50 years. They've been around forever. SoFi has a mission, it has a game plan, and they are doing what they have been saying they're going to do, which is giving back to the customer. That's what you're seeing on these checking accounts. They're giving back, so they're, making it a more lengthy process to get the profitability, okay? If this was at 1%, they could maybe get profitable faster, but they're not going to build a longer customer growth plan and stuff like that. So they're taking hits now to acquire more customers for the future, okay? Long-term customers that they can continue to sell more and more products to. So guys, that was 3 of the top websites for top checking accounts. NerdWallet, Bankrate and Forbes, SoFi is at #1 now. I haven't seen this. I usually saw them in like the top 3 to top 5, but they are #1 across the board. So this is huge, and I think we're going to see this reflected in our Q4 numbers. All right, we're going to go back and refresh you guys for the earnings because the earnings are coming up in like, what, 19 days or something like that. The current quarter estimates are at 9-cent loss. Remember that. We don't want to look at the low estimate. We don't want to look at the high estimate. Just look at the average, okay? This is 9 analysts right now, okay? So I can't figure out if these guys are either high or drunk when they're putting out these estimates right now, okay? I can't figure it out because of what we're about to see, guys. Look at the Q3 earnings, okay? They have the EPS at 9 cents. So the EPS is exactly the same. Q3 for their earnings and now their Q4 estimates, it's coming out at the exact same. Look, 9 cents is what they hit, and now they have them at an estimate of 9 cents. That's absolutely insane. And then look at the revenue. 426 million is the average estimate. We don't want to look at the high or the low. 426, and they just hit 407, guys. So that's a $20 million jump. SoFi has been smacking out $50-60 million jumps the last 2 quarters, okay? And they got about a $20 million jump. So these estimates, I'm trying to tell you guys, are pretty dang low. And that's 9 analysts across the board. So when you see Anthony Noto buying $5 million, I don't think he's buying $5 million for the stock to plummet 30% and, it'd be worth, $3 million or something like that, $4 million. This dude sees some big earnings coming. That's your insider trading, but it's not illegal. It's, what is that called? It's not insider trading. I think it is insider trading, but it's legal insider trading. It's just because they announce it. I don't know. But he's giving you guys a sign, and I think we're going to be coming in at like 6-cent loss because we just seen 2 current quarters of a 2-cent jump. Look at this, guys. 14 right here, jump 2 cents to 12, and then a jump 3 cents to 9. So they've been jumping 2 cents, 3 cents on the loss. Maybe we get a 4-cent. That would be awesome. But, let's go with a 6-cent estimate, okay? That will be huge. That'll put you at a loss of like, 50, 45, 40 to $50 million or something like that. I don't know, but it's going to be a nice jump once again, okay? Q1 could be awesome. So we just got to be patient and understand that these earnings estimates are really low. These earnings are 3 weeks away. And then, to my next topic, we got CPI coming out tomorrow. And CPI has been continuing to drop for the last 3 to 4 quarters or 3 to 4 months. And tomorrow, guys, as you can see, January 12th, 8:30 a.m., the estimates are coming out. It looks like the last estimate was December 13th. Rose 7.1% over the last 12 months. Okay, so maybe we get into the mid 6s or low 6s. That'll be huge, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video, a real short video. I just really wanted to show you guys, the checking account, rankings for SoFi right now. Okay, I'll go further in on another video with what we could see for member projections and stuff like that. But just know tomorrow's an important day. Let's get by this CPI data, and then hopefully it's good. And then our next thing to worry about, well, not really to worry about, but to get by is those leaps, 2023 leaps, which pretty much everyone is at nothing because, 1 year of nothing, just 35% drop in the NASDAQ, S&P 500, 25%. So leaps are really low. People were buying, the past 9 months. So let's get by those leaps and maybe, they start letting the market rip up again for 2024 leaps. So we got to get by leaps. And then after that, we got SoFi earnings in about 19 days. So once again, my name is Kyle. Be sure to drop me a comment, smash the like button. Hope you have a great day.